Have you ever pondered the potential of making money using Gelato print on demand? If so, you're in the right place. Gelato Print on Demand is a revolutionary platform that allows you to monetize your creativity and business acumen. This global print-on-demand network empowers you to sell your designs on various products, such as t-shirts, mugs, and posters, without worrying about inventory or shipping. Step 1 in this journey might sound obvious, but it's crucial. Create or source a unique design. As simple as it may seem, this is where your brand's identity and customer appeal lie. Be it a witty quote, an abstract art piece, or a trendy pattern, ensure it's something that resonates with your target audience. Once you have your designs ready, it's time for step 2, integrating with Gelato. Gelato offers easy integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. This means you can sell your products on your existing online store or set up a new one. Step 3 revolves around product selection. Gelato offers a vast array of products you can print your designs on. The key here is to choose products that align with your brand and appeal to your audience. Remember, a winning product can be the difference between a thriving business and a struggling one. The 4th step involves setting your prices. This is where your business acumen comes into play. You need to strike a balance between covering your costs, including the base price of the product and shipping fees, and offering a competitive price to your customers. Step 5 is all about marketing and promotion. You need to make people aware of your products. Use social media, email marketing, content marketing, SEO, and other digital marketing strategies to reach out to your target audience. Finally, step 6 is the most satisfying one, earning profits. Every time a customer purchases a product, Gelato takes care of the printing and shipping, and you earn the profit margin. In summary, making money with Gelato Print on Demand involves 6 key steps. First, create or source a unique design. Second, integrate with Gelato on your preferred e-commerce platform. Third, select the right products to print your designs on. Fourth, set competitive prices that cover your costs and offer good profit margins. Fifth, promote your products using various digital marketing strategies. And 6th, enjoy the profits as Gelato takes care of the rest. Harness the power of Gelato Print on Demand and turn your creativity and business savvy into a profitable venture.